Hey guys, I'm Banafsha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the salary that you earn as an employee in Germany according to your contract. In German, we call it Brutto. And the amount that you get at the end of the month. In German, we call it Netto. The amount that is transferred to your bank account is lower because you have to pay taxes and contributions to the social insurances. I will explain in this video which taxes and insurances are deducted from your salary and how much is deducted. The estimated average income in West Germany in 2019 is 38,901 euro per year. For this video, I will assume an income of 3,200 euro per month, which is 38,400 euro per year. First of all, everybody has to pay income tax. The amount of income tax depends on the income and the tax class that you are in. For example, tax class 1 is for singles, or tax classes 3, 4, and 5 are for married couples. They have some choices in their combination of tax classes. However, in the end, they will pay the same amount of tax independent of the tax class. I will talk about all the different tax classes in Germany in a separate video, and I will explain all the details. In this example, I assume tax class 1. So if you earn 3,200 euro, you have to pay 468 euro 25 cents income tax. If you are registered as Christian, you have to pay church tax. Church tax is 9% of your income tax, except in Baden-Württemberg and Bavaria, where it is a little bit lower. The church tax applies mainly to Roman Catholic and Protestants. In this example, you see that you have to pay 42 euro 14 cents, which is 9% of 468 euro 25 cents, which is your income tax. The next is solidarity surcharge, which is 5.5% of income tax. It was introduced after the reunification of Germany for covering costs of investments of the reunification. As the solidarity surcharge is a tax and not a fee, the money can be spent on anything and does not need to be used for specific purposes. Again, as you see here, for this income, you have to pay 25 euro 75 cents, which is 5.5% of 468 euro 25 cents, which is your income tax. The next is pension scheme. Money for a pension scheme is paid to the pension fund to cover the pensions once you retire. Height of the pension is calculated in a very specific way. We do not go into details here. So in this example, for 3,200 euro income, you have to pay 297 euro 60 cents for pension scheme. The next is unemployment insurance. If you lose your job or your limited contract ends and you do not find a new job in time, you will receive money from the unemployment insurance. So typically as an unemployed, you can receive unemployment money for up to 12 months and the amount is 60% of your previous net income. So in this example, you have to pay 40 euro for your unemployment insurance. The next is health insurance. In Germany, it's compulsory to be health insured. There are two different systems, the public health insurance and the private health insurance. Under certain conditions, you're allowed to be insured in private health insurance, but this example shows the public health insurance. This health insurance basically covers all costs of the visits to the doctors, treatments, surgeries, and the majority of the costs of the drugs. One exception are dental costs, where approximately 50% of the cost is covered by the insurance. The amount you pay for health insurance does not depend on your personal situation, like your age or health condition, etc. In this example, you have to pay 248 euros for health insurance. I will talk about the differences between private and public health insurances in a separate video. The next is long-term care insurance. People insured in public health insurance are compulsory insured in long-term care insurance. This insurance is provided for people who need permanent assistance in everyday life. In this case, you have to pay €56.80 for long-term care insurance. The difference between upper three entries and lower four entries is that the upper three entries are taxes and are paid 100% by employee. Depending on your personal situation, you can or you have to do an income statement or income tax return, or in German Einkommenssteuererklärung. The lower four entries are paid by you and your employer. Those are paid more or less 50% by you and 50% by your employer. However, on your payroll, you will just see the parts deducted from your gross income as shown here. As you see, the net income in this case is €2,021.46, which is €1,178.54 less than the gross income. Now you know why there is a difference. Okay, that's all about Brutto and Netto. I hope you liked the video and you have learned something. If you like it, please give it thumbs up. If you're new in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and press the bell so that you will be informed anytime I publish a new video. See you in the next video. Bye!